What if one program could teach your child confidence, courtesy, and character, and also change your life as a business owner? Welcome to the National League of Junior Cotillions. At Cotillion, we're teaching more than etiquette, we're teaching life skills. Students across the country are learning how to lead, how to communicate, and how to carry themselves with honor. And tonight at our Black and White Ball and Grand Spring Ball, you'll see the magic of that transformation. Students learn real-world social skills, ballroom dance, and formal dining, skills they'll use for the rest of their lives. Parents enroll for manners. What they get is maturity and leadership. And behind every chapter is a leader. Our directors are local business owners empowered with a proven curriculum, world-class support, and a business model that creates meaningful income and lifelong impact. Whether you're looking for a legacy to build in your community or a program to elevate your own child, the National League of Junior Cotillions is more relevant now than ever. We're growing, we're changing lives, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. Join us, whether as a parent, a student, or a future director. Welcome to NLJC.